The role of Risa is very, very crucial in that she remains true to fiscalizing the government. Yan talaga ang main. Remember, during the time of Senator Ninoy Aquino, if I'm not mistaken, siya lang yung lone opposition nung panahon nila eh. And yet he was very, very effective because he was fiscalizing government. He was calling to account all the anomalies in the first Marcos administration. So, yun talaga ang ginagawa ni Risa. And by the way, si Risa, ang mga causes niya hindi not necessarily anti-government. Look, he's done a lot mga fighting for the causes of the people eh. Ang dami niya mga pinaglalaban na hindi naman directly against government. Siguro yung mga against government lang directly would be the issue on the national budget which turned out to be an electoral budget, 'di ba? Yung parang mga ganun na kailangan naman kasi babantay mo naman yung kaban ng bayan eh. Sa iyo nanggagaling ang budget, you have to review at himayin ang budget. So yan ang malaking ginagampanan ng trabaho ni Senator Risa Ontiveros. And I think because of that, lumalakas ang credibility niya. And the fact that she's a woman, she's able to deliver it in a different way than men, in a very committed, deliberate, but in a non-confrontational way. Si Risa. And by the way, Risa, don't forget, malalim din sa communications yan. So she's also an expert in communications. She knows how it is to deliver the messaging also.